Hello, in this quick tutorial I am going to show you how to block a sound on TikTok to stop it from reappearing in your feed. Firstly, press and hold the video that features the sound you want to block, on TikTok of course. In the pop-up menu you can tap more to the right of not interested, so basically you're gonna select not interested to the sound. Next, select hide videos with this sound. This action tells TikTok to show you fewer videos with that sound. While it won't block all videos using the sound immediately, it should reduce their frequency in your feed. You can repeat these steps each time you encounter a video with the sound to further minimize its appearance. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.